To show calendar on your always on display on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to change the clock on your lock screen with the calendar. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap the clock and then select the calendar thumbnail. To save the change, tap done button. To see the result, go to your always on display. First, turn off the screen. Since the always on display on this phone is set to tap to show, then single tap the screen. You can see that now your phone is displaying calendar on your always on display. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.